Next, I want you to focus on making great content. All right, once you've done everything that I've shown you here today, getting views should be easy. Now that you have people finding and clicking on your videos, you need to be creating good content to keep those people watching. Remember, the longer people watch, the better. Now, don't think you have to keep people watching for like 10 minutes or anything. You don't have to knock this out the park. You just have to do your best to try to get people to keep watching as long as possible. All right. Now, this is another benefit of creating longer videos, like I mentioned in the last lesson. Now, it's no secret that we have short attention spans as humans. And I found that the average percent of your video that's going to be viewed is around 30%. So think about if you do a 5-minute video, people will watch probably about like 2 minutes of it. All right. But the longer your video is, the longer your watch time will be. So that brings the question though, why not just create super long videos? Well, the reason why you don't want to do that is because your videos, if they're too long, then it's going to affect somebody clicking on it. Remember, the first step is to get people to click on your videos, and YouTube shows the time of a video on the thumbnail. So let me ask you a question. If you're searching for a quick solution to a problem that you have, and you see two videos, one is 10 minutes, one is an hour, which one are you likely to click? Probably the 10-minute one, right? Because of our short attention span. So the key with YouTube is to find the sweet spot. You want videos that aren't too long, but at the same time, not too short. Studies have found that the sweet spot is usually around 7 to like 12 minutes. All right. And when it comes to actually making content, make sure it's great. All right. The gurus, they're wrong about this. Don't be scared to give away your best content. It will make you an authority in your market, and it's not going to hurt your core sales, because the better information you give, the more people will want to watch more of your videos and potentially buy more of your products.